Hi everyone. So you've installed Swimage and now you want to get started. Let's just go through some quick steps to get you going and into Swimage and the portal's functionality. So first things first, once Swimage is installed, the portal is available. You can either get to it by on the server going to your own local host, or from externally from the server you can just go to the server URL. From there you're going to use, depending on what you need to do, in the beginning we're going to want to use Swimage Admin so we can do more tasks, and using the password that you set up when you installed. So we'll just sign in. And once we sign in, we can do a couple things. One, we can download our agents so that we have an available agent to use. Download it locally and then distribute it how you will. It just takes admin rights to distribute. Go a quick show of that. We can show how you can go to a desktop client and essentially just install this client. If you can do it as admin, that's great. Once it's installed, the agent will report itself back up to the server, and we can begin to manage the systems. So this is the only system that's on this computer right now. So if I go to Assets, I'll see that it's right here. It's just a virtual machine that we're using for the test. Once we really want to get going, we can look into that and see the general overview information, the hardware information. All this stuff gets reported up from the agent itself. Attune is not enabled at this point. We're going to go add the machine to an organization to enable that. So what we do is we go to the organization we want to use. This one's going to be just using the default build, and I'm going to view my computers. I don't have any at this time, so I want to add a computer. I'm going to select my organization, unassigned right now, because that's the only machine that's there. And we have our machine. We're going to pick it, and we're going to add that computer. Once that computer is added, it'll now show up in the organization. It'll show up in our collections for all systems in that organization. And again, back to assets. If we sort by organizations, and I go to organization 1, it'll still be there. Once this machine is added to that organization, it gets assigned to build, and it will continue to build from there. From that, we'll go on to some next steps in another video. Thanks.